Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you have a great day and a great week. In this video, we are going to learn about islower function, isupper function and index function. Before getting started, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to purchase my book and the link is in the description below. Now let's open Python. Now let's start with islower hashtag islower function. Islower function method checks whether the given string is lowercase or not. If the given string is in lowercase, then the output is given as true, else the output is false. Now let me show you the program. Name equal to, I'll give as Tom. Next, address just like instead of address I'll just put street. Address stay equal to, I'll just give France. I forgot to give double quotes. Yes. Now we have to print open bracket name dot, here name is a variable which I use, and dot is lower double quotes. Now I'll give print open bracket address dot is lower, and I just forgot to give open bracket and close bracket. Yeah, now let's run the program. See here, first, that is name is Tom, which is in lowercase. So is it in lowercase? Yeah, so it is true. The output has come as true. And the address, which is France, is it in lowercase? No, so the output is false. Now let's come to the topic isupper. The isupper function checks the given string is in the uppercase or not. If the given string is in uppercase, then the output is given as true, else the output is false. This is how we have to use uppercase. Print name dot isupper. Now if I give run means, see, first is name, which is Tom, that is it uppercase? No, so false. And the second is address, which is France, is it in uppercase? Yes, so true. Now before getting into the topic index function, we should know about array and index of string. In Python, every string is stored in an array An array is a kind of data structure that is continuous memory allocation. Continuous memory allocation. Each character of a string will be stored in each memory of the array. Each memory allocation is identified by an index. Index always starts at 0. An array looks like a table with 2 columns. Now I will give index function. Now first we have to give a name for a array, that is variables. Now I'll just give sample as double quotes James. Now in this, as I told you, each memory of array will be stored in each character of a string will be stored in each memory of array. Now this is string James. The first string is J, that will be stored in the memory called 0. So first 0 is James, 1 is A, 2 is M, and 3 is E, then 4 is S. Now let's see E. Now I'll show you a sample. Print open bracket sample and I'll just give 4. Now here 4, this is the name of the memory allocation. Now first is James, right? That is 1, 0, A is 1, M is 2, E is 3, and S is 4. Now and here for index function, for index and array, we usually give box brackets, that is box which will be looking like this. And now let's print it. See, the fourth array is S. Now let's come to the topic, index function. The index function is used to show the index of characters stored in the array. Example, James. I'll just take this one out. So print open bracket name. I'll just give it. I don't name equal to pressure. Open bracket name dot index open bracket A. Now let's run it. See, the see in my name, the letter A is stored in the array in number 4. So here in index function, the statement will be like this: name is the variable which I use, index function, index open bracket, here we use single quotes like this. There's a string. Now if I want to check number 8, see it is 0. Now if I keep like this, it may show a error because the Python will be confused whether see here, now the both A's are same, so the Python is getting confused. Why it is showing 0 is Python checks like this, like a robot. It'll come like this first, whether A is there here, yeah, in the starting word, which is, what is the array name? 0. If I give, that's why in the starting I gave capital A, because then we have a difference, right? Guys, I hope you understood everything clearly, and if you have any doubts, means you can ask, you can leave it in the comment box, and see you guys in the next video. Before ending up, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and also don't forget to purchase my book. So I'll meet you in the next video. Bye.